Sammy's playing with the audio.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Lego says, plants from plants. The Lego group is working to build a more sustainable future for children. Currently, more than 80 Lego elements, including trees, leaves, and bushes, are made from a plant-based plastic produced using sustainably sourced sugar cane, plants from plants. These elements represent the first steps of a bigger mission to make Lego bricks from sustainable sources by 2030. So, plants from plants elements that are in this set are those 5 pieces in the bottom. So not every piece is sustainable yet, but they're hoping within 9 years from now that every piece will be. It's pretty important. I can't imagine how many pieces of Lego are in the landfill. Oh, I like this, how they have it set up. So each bag is like a couple of the different flowers so you don't get overwhelmed. And then you can put it all together that way.
Oh, it's 1, 2, and 3?
Yeah.
Nice.
1, 2, and 3. Okay, let's get into it. Three, 2, 1, 2. Look at the stems. What's this? Probably 1. Yeah, the roses. And that's it. Empty. All right. Snuggle on up here. And then eliminated a lot of pieces. Okay, incoming. Yeah, as long as they know that the Lego's not food. Oh my God, Sam. How am I gonna even eat that?
That's for a double.
Something like just to show you what we're working with. All of the fixins, he said. good to know this. If you lose a piece, you can email Lego and they'll send you the piece for free. If you're like, oh, the set didn't have this piece. It's pretty awesome. Yeah, Monday you're gonna be dead, madame. Take care of yourself. That's all I'm gonna say. And I'm sure if you feel not up to it and have to cancel plans, your friends will be more than understanding. I really like these daisies. Would like to make that a little bit taller, so that's what I'm gonna do, because I have some of the extra green pieces. Stick that on the end. Yeah. Same with the other one. Yeah, this was our wedding, or my wedding anniversary gift this year, madame. So funny that you said it should have had this during the wedding, but the set wasn't made yet. Okay, is that a good view of it? Like that Snapdragon, that's just how the stem is, so it's always gonna flop like that. And then we have all those extra little pieces. What if I take this out as well?
That looks really cool.
Oh, wrong way.
Like looking top down looks awesome.
Right? Oh no, I did go the right
I
way.
thought you were going the right way.
Oh well. That looks good too, like that, right?